How to make a character in Polybuzz. So before you go ahead and open up the application, just gonna make sure first that you're currently running the latest version of the app. From here, if you type in Polybuzz, Polybuzz is actually well known as poly.ai. So this is actually what we're looking at right now. Simply hit on update and it will automatically update by itself. And of course, you won't be able to create any characters if you don't have an account. Just simply use any account available on your end so that we can start and create an avatar or character. From here, just simply tap on this plus icon located at the center portion of your screen. And then from here, you can choose whether it's just for a regular or multi-role. Polybuzz or Poly AI will just provide you a black screen due to privacy purposes. So what you'll be seeing on the other end is just by uploading a specific photo where you would like the character be created, and as well as a certain subscription on what your photo or your character should look like. And that's pretty much it. That is how you create a character in Polybuzz AI.